Hey everyone, welcome to Neil's World. Sometimes it happens that you have to prepare a PowerPoint presentation or a presentation for your next meeting and you do not have any idea to create a presentation. So your brain goes simply blank and you stare at the blank presentations for a long time without creating anything workable. So it happens. So you get what you call a mental block. What if I told you that there are tools which can help you create presentations using AI? There are many such tools, but there is one tool that I recently found out which seems to be a very good tool and comes within a budget and does a very decent job. I'm talking about a tool called Workppt. Let me show you in my screen how it works. Let me go to my Chrome browser. This is the website where you can find this tool, which is ppt.softtooler.com. I'll put the link of this tool in the description so that you can go ahead and try this tool out. To create an account, you need to sign up. The signing up is through a Google account. So you require a Google account to sign up for this service. So continue with Google and you enter your Google credentials and you can log into your account and then go ahead with the presentation making. But before going into the how to use this tool, I'm going to show you the pricing of this tool. So this tool is, you can try it for free. It only gives you limited options to try the features. If you try to use the free plan, if you use a paid plan, what you get, you have different plans available. You also get a lifetime plan. So you get very affordable plans for these slide making. So you can go ahead and check the website for different options or the different features that it provides for the different plans available. You can choose any plan that is suitable for you. Now let me show you how you can create presentations. So once you log in, you will be greeted with such kind of a dashboard or workspace in your account. So you get a workspace like this. The first thing is a big box where you can type in your idea or a topic. Only by typing this topic and hitting the enter button, you can generate slides. All right. So you can select here, you can select number of slides that you require. So you have 1 to 10 cards. So if you need to create a very small presentation, you can select 1 to 10 cards. If you need some more present slides, you can select 11 to 20, and then you can select 21 to 33 for a larger presentation. So I'll go ahead with 11 to 20. This is the suitable sweet spot, and I'll put a topic: 10 best productivity hacks or tips. For example, this is what I am going to try. All right, you can see how it comes out to be, and then you hit this button, arrow button, and it will generate some pointers for your presentation. So it shows you how you can use what are the points that it is going to create presentation. All right, so if you're not happy with these points, you can hit this try again button to generate new ideas on which the presentations will be generated. Now I'm going ahead with these topics only, with these ideas, and then click on this generate my presentation button. Now the next thing that you get is you have different themes or different design elements or design ideas for your presentation. You get a lot of design, got a lot of themes to select. So you can select the most appropriate theme for your for your presentation, and then go ahead with the next options or the next steps. So I'll go ahead, for example, I'll just okay, I'll select any one of this for this presentation, for this demonstration purpose. I'll go ahead and select something like, so I'll go ahead and select something like this simple presentation, and then hit the plus button. Now see the magic. Now once you select your theme, you have your topic in the beginning, you have your theme, and then it will try to generate the presentation. So it takes a little bit of time, a couple of minutes to generate your slides. So you can see that new slides are being generated. You have 11 slides as of now, so it is generating new slides as per the topic and the length that you have selected in the beginning. I have selected 11 to 20 cards, that means 11 to 20 slides. So it will create between 11 and 20 medium length presentation for this particular generation. So it has selected 18 slides and it has generated this presentation. You see, you got a very nice looking presentation in no time. Literally, you have everything. So this presentation, what you have, it's very easy. It is inline editing enabled. That means the presentation that has been generated by AI, you can optimize it, you can enhance it using your own editing. It has got an editor where you can simply change the text and everything, and then you can use different options. Here you can select different titles and all. Here you can select shapes, which you can drag it to this presentation and use these shapes. All right, and then you can insert chart, you can insert table, you can insert media like audio and video, you can insert a logo of your organization in the slide, and you can also insert image from your, if you click on it, from your local machine. All right, so if you click on it, you can select image from your local machine. And also, suppose you are not happy with the number of slides, so you want to delete some slides, so you can go ahead and hit this edit button, where you can do a lot of things, like you can reset the slides, you can open ruler, you can open grid line, you can delete a page in the slides, you can add a page, and you can redo and undo the editing that you are carrying out. So this has got a full editor inbuilt in the system, so that the AI generated presentations you can optimize, you can fine tune to your liking or to your needs. All right, so you can also replace the template. Suppose you have selected a template and then your presentation is ready and you are not happy with the final look and feel, then you can go ahead and use this replace tab to replace use a different theme or a different template. And once you're happy with your final presentations, what you can do is you can download it as a PowerPoint presentation file, PPTX. You can export images as image. You can select between JPEG and PNG. You can select all the slides, you can select the current slide, or you can select custom slides. That means you can select particular slides for export. And finally, you have this option to export as PDF or print as PDF, where you can select all slides or a current slide. And also you can optimize, or you can specify the number of pages per sheet. Number of pages means you can have 3 slides printed on a single sheet of paper, so that you can use this feature to create handouts for your presentation. So you can select 3 pages per sheet of paper, where you will have a PDF file where you'll have 3 slides in a single page, which you can use as a handout at the end of your presentations, or during your presentations you can hand it out to your colleagues and all. And so this is how you can use this AI slide system. And also you can share these slides, whatever you have generated, through the different social media sharing options. Now I will go back to the workspace to show you one more feature in this AI slide presentation making. So you have, I started with putting an idea, putting a sentence, and generating the AI generated slides. So here you can see this plus button. When you press this plus button, you have the option to upload your own files. If you already have some outlines, if you already have a topic, if you have a document, from that document also you can create slides by simply uploading or simply drag and dropping the file over here. It supports image files, it supports PDF files up to 15 pages. So if you're dealing with PDF files, you need to keep in mind that it supports only up to 15 pages. And then you can also use DocX, TXT, and XLS, and different types of files. You can see the supported file types over here. All right, and finally, this is how you can create AI slides using this automated AI generated system. This workspace also gives you option to some other tools like AI chat. You can use the chat GPT. You can see the chat GPT logo over here. It offers you options to use chat GPT. You can select different GPT models over here. GPT 3.5, GPT 4 and GPT 5 are available, so you can use chat GPT within the system, within the software, within the this workspace. And you also have this AI PDF where you can edit a PDF file. So these are other tools that are available along with this AI slide presentation maker. You have this PDF merge, PDF split, so you can add watermark, image to PDF, add stamp to PDF, PDF to image. So there are different PDF editing features available over here. It is not very exhaustive, but helps a lot, because sometimes you have to combine two different PDF files, so you can use this PDF merging option, and you can also split a bigger PDF into smaller chunks of files using this PDF split option. Right, then there is this AI summarizer where you can upload a file and summarize the contents of the file. So there are different other options available, and then created by you is where you get all the files that you have just generated listed, and you can invite your friends to try this out, this system out. So you can use the invite URL to try this out, so your friend can get some free options, free benefits from this. So this is the software that I was talking about. There's PDF files you can manipulate, AI generated slides that you can create. So this is an all-in-one tool, and it helps you create beautiful presentations, and it helps you make handouts from presentations, from the system itself, from the service itself. So it is a handy tool, and if you found this tool useful, you can try this out by going to the description, and I'll give you the links in the description for this tool, and you can try it out yourself and see how it works for you. And in the meantime, if you like this content, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the contents that I create, you can consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.